This
topics.
conference will now be recorded.
No, I'm not going into the technical side directly. So first I need to discuss about general topic and then I'll move to CRM technology. Okay. So first I'll discuss about some manufacturing companies because we should know who developed this CRM product and why this CRM product was developed and what is the purpose. Okay, what is an advantage. So all these things we should know. Okay, because directly learning the CRM technology, so we can't understand what is the purpose of this CRM tool. So let's talk about manufacturing companies. Manufacturing companies means there's a number of companies like car manufacturing, mobile manufacturing, AC, fridge, whatever. All the products will come under manufacturing. Once any companies manufactured any product, what procedure they will follow to reach out the customer? In general, we can talk. If we go to Bajaj showroom or some other showrooms, what they will do, right? First, company itself will start marketing to reach the customer. Without marketing, customers wouldn't know that product is exist in the market, correct? So in like daily, like we watch TVs, right? So in the TV we see so many advertisements, then only we can recognize, okay, that product is coming from that company, right? So many ways we can perform the marketing. It can be like SMS marketing, email marketing, digital marketing. Nowadays there are number of ways we can market the product, right? See, this marketing is not applicable for one product, it's for all the products. The strategy can be different, but how companies will reach the customers is through the marketing only, right? So now, once the market is completed by the marketing team from the companies, what they will do? Company starts receiving the customers' inquiries. Customers will call to the customer care, because I have seen your advertisement in so and so place. I want your company product. Or you will reach to nearest showroom, like a Bajaj showroom. Bajaj showroom, so many company products are available, right? So there you can discuss with the sales team and you can purchase whatever you want. Correct. So sales also is common for all the products. Once you reach the showroom, they will prepare a quotation. Quotation is nothing but detailed information about the pricing, right? Once, if you are okay with that quotation, you will go for an order with the sales team, and then bill will be generated, invoice will be generated. Okay, once the sale is completed from the product, let's say I am purchasing
Hello.
AC from the company. Yeah, hi Karthi.
Hello. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Now it is connected. Sorry for the delay.
Yeah, thank you. Please mute.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell. Continue.
Okay, so after seeing this marketing advertisements, so what I like, I have purchased the AC. During the AC purchase, what companies do? They will give some warranty information, like let's say 2 years warranty information, right? 2 years warranty information means if the product is damaged or if the product is not working, as a company, I should give a pre-service to the customers. Then only the new products can be buy from the customer side. Otherwise, if I don't give a good service to the customer, next time customers don't buy any product from my company. Correct. So this is one thing. Okay, sales is completed. 2 years warranty is given by the company. Now service will come into picture. In case if the AC or if the product is damaged, then what you do? You will call to the customer care. You will register a complaint, and then company will send one technician to your home, or company persons will ask you to bring that product to the nearest service center. Either way, they will visit your house or they'll ask you to bring your product to the nearest service center. Let's say technician has come. As per the agreement, 2 years warranty period is there. If the product is damaged, they will replace or they will troubleshoot something and then they will make it work. And then the complaint will be resolved. Right? So once the product is manufactured, these three teams are involving and then it is reaching to the customer and then finally satisfying the customer. After manufacturing the product, marketing team is working and then sales team and then service team. Right. So this marketing, sales and service, this is not only for one company product, it's for all the company's products. If you talk about car company, they have a marketing team, sales team and service team. If you talk about TV, Sony TV, they have a marketing team, sales team, service team. That means for all the companies, these three teams are same. Three teamed activities also same. What they will do, they will market, they will call to the customers, they will explain the product information. If the sales team means they will prepare a quotations, they will put an orders. Service team means they will give a service to the particular product. Right? There are so many activities performing by each and every team. Now, I'm not talking about one branch. Let's say I am the manufacturer of TV. Okay, Sony TV. Let's think about this. How many branches will be there across the world? There are many, right? Delhi also we have a branch. Hyderabad also we have a branch. Chennai also we have a branch. There are multiple cities we have a branches for Sony. And each and every branch we have a Sony marketing team, sales team, service team. Right. So that means Delhi also we have a marketing team. Hyderabad also we have. Chennai also we have the marketing team. So how can I track all the marketing team activities and sales team activities and service team activities? It's very difficult to track all the things in offline, like in Excel sheet. Okay, in Excel sheet, team 1, 10 a.m. we need to visit so and so showroom. Like that I cannot maintain, right? So in order to maintain all the team's activities in one place, software companies developed one application called CRM application, customer relationship management application. Nowadays we are calling it as Dynamic 365 CE, customer engagement. Why they named it as CRM? Customer relationship management. If you maintain a good relationship with the customers, then only customers will stick to your company products. Let's say today iPhone is released, iPhone 13. Next year they will release iPhone 14. If you don't give good service to the iPhone 13, next time the same customer will not buy iPhone 14, right? We should maintain a good relationship. So that is the reason initially they have come up with a customer CRM application. So now they renamed it as Dynamic 365 CE. So what this tool will do, application or tool I can say, application or tool. This tool will storage all marketing team activities, sales team activities and service team activities. It's a centralized location, the CRM application. So you can track Delhi branch activities, Hyderabad branch activities, Chennai branch activities. See, this is not only for one company. If you are a owner of the manufacturing company, you can buy this CRM application and you can utilize for your company. So you can track your marketing team people activities, sales team, service team. So what is the advantage of software companies is they have developed one time. They are selling it for multiple companies. They have sold it to like Samsung company also, and Sony company also, and like one product they're selling it for multiple companies because marketing, sales, service is common for all the companies. Like that, these companies are getting huge profit. I hope you are clear on this. Why? What is a tool inside? Like what is the functionality CRM is having? CRM is having marketing team activities, sales, service team activities are tracked in this application. Okay. So now I'm saying CRM application is developed. Okay, application is developed by software companies. Who developed this? Dynamic 365 is developed by Microsoft company. Okay, okay, I'm saying Microsoft companies developed Dynamic 365 CE CRM application. Okay, then why should I learn? Because I'm saying it's already developed application, right? What should I do after developing this application as a developer? No need to learn, right? Yes. No, why should I learn means, as I said that, yeah, as I said that it's a common procedure, I can say, sales, service, marketing. Okay, but here, if you see here, Samsung also purchased this product. Okay, 1 second. And Sony also purchased this product, and some XYZ company also purchased this product. Okay, but in the CRM application, they want some changes. Samsung wants to use the same CRM application. They not required any changes. But Sony company is required some changes in this application. At that time, our developers needed here. So if you look at this diagram, you can understand. Just a second. Yeah. So Microsoft has developed a CRM application, right, with a marketing sales service. Now this product is purchased by LG manufacturing company, Samsung manufacturing company, Hero manufacturing company. Okay. But LG, as it is, they want to use the CRM application. But Samsung wants to change some functionalities in the CRM application because they want some additional features what Microsoft has given. They want more features. At that time, this Samsung company will reach software companies, HCL or TechM or Accenture. Boss, we need a developers, CRM developers, because we purchase the CRM application, we need additional changes this application. Additional changes it can be, there are a number of functionalities. So at that time, this HCL, TechM, Accenture people will hire CRM developers like me, and then they will assign a work, whatever the work we are taking from the Samsung. In that work, we need to work on. That is a developer things. Okay. So what type of job roles will be there if I learn a dynamic CRM? There are two things: functional consultant and technical consultant. Functional consultant is a business analyst where he always discuss with the clients and will get the requirement. He will deal with the Samsung company here. Boss, what is the your requirement in a CRM application? So you give me. I'll check with my technical consultant. He is a developer, I can say indirectly. I'll check with the technical developers and then they will implement those functionalities in CRM application. These are the two job roles we have in the dynamic CRM. If you know, like if you know good English, like you can go with the functional, no need to learn any code, no need to learn anything. If you have good communication skills, if you have a good understanding in the business, you can go as a functional. Coming to technical, you should have technical knowledge. See, I'll tell you one more thing here, why this CRM is advantage. Before talking about technical thing, in the initial days, uh, what is happening? If you want to write a text box, if you want to develop some screens, for everything you need to write a code. Like say, I want to create some text box as an input control. you need to write 2 lines of code. I'll show you in the book. Okay. See, HTML text box. If you want to create a text box, you should write these lines of code. Then only text box will be created in initial days. Okay, you see, first name. As a developer, as a technically, like I cannot remember, right, every time you see. Because of this line, first name text box is created. Right. This is in Java, HTML, and .NET. When you are working with these technologies, for each and everything, you need to write lines of code. To creating the text box also, you need to write a code. To creating the data also, updating the data also, deleting the data also, you need to write these many lines of code. But after many years, like Microsoft introduced a CRM application with a low code, no code concept. If you want to implement a text box, no need to write any code. You just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. If you want to create a record, CRM itself, it will create a records automatically. You need to click on a button only. It will create a records. No need to write any code. That much advantage as given by the Microsoft in the dynamic CRM tool. To learn .NET and Java, you need to write each and every lines of code, but not in a dynamic CRM. That means I'm not saying this will not have any code, but 70% of the code is reduced in the Dynamic 365 when compared with other technologies. For example, I'm going to develop one application in the .NET. It will take 1 year. The same application I can develop in a CRM application with a 4 months. That much advantage with the Dynamic 365. See, okay. So technical developers are responsible to work on a technical things. So most of the things are possible with customization. Customization means by using the CRM properties, we can develop a new functionalities without writing any code. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so here I'm saying that CRM is developed by Microsoft. What is the technology behind this? It's a .NET framework. On .NET framework, the CRM application was built. Okay, now, so if I learn dynamic CRM 365 thing, and if I go as a technical consultant, how much package I can get? You will get minimum 7 to 9 lakhs for 3 years. Functional also similar packages. Okay, now I hope you're clear on this, right? So all this information. Now I'll show you actual application. Here I'm saying that application is already developed, so we can use in case if you want to add a new features as a developer, I can add. So what is the installation we need for this dynamic CRM? So it's not required any installations because it's a cloud application, I can say. Data will be stored in the Microsoft databases. Here, one more point here. For each and every application, we have some databases, right? Front end, what you do in the browser side, you enter some information. As soon as you click on the button, the data will be stored in somewhere. Here, the database is SQL database in the backend. Whatever the information you're storing in the front end, that will be stored in the backend SQL. Okay. So here, how many ways we can access the CRM application? One is the online version, one is the on-premise version. On-premise version is installable CRM. Online version is where you can use in the browser like Facebook. How you use the Facebook? You enter facebook.com, you log in with your credentials. In the same way, dynamic CRM application also can be logged in into the browser. Okay, this on-premise one normally taken care by the companies because they should purchase database and CRM components, then only we can work on it. But here I'm saying online version. Then where is my database then? Microsoft will take care. This infrastructure, database, everything will be stored in the Microsoft servers. Only we can use directly this application in the browser. Okay. Now I'll go into the actual application now. So let's close this. You see here, this is my CRM application. So TechWare solutions like Facebook.com. Like that, I have created one dynamic CRM application. Dynamic CRM applications are 30 days validity as a free trial. In case if you want to extend, you need to buy like monthly wise. Okay, that will be taken care by the companies. For your practice purpose, you can create a trial CRM for a practice 1 month validity. Now here you see this is a landing page. See, I logged in with the TechWare solutions. All right, this is my username. I logged in with my username here. So here, this is the landing page. Here you see, if you look at all the information is ready. Like already application is ready, right? The data also is ready. So if you look at this, the first point is sales, service, marketing. Sales team can use these options. Service team, they can use these options, and marketing team, they can use these options. Each and every department, there is a separate tables or entities, we can call it as per the CRM terminology. Okay, so entities means tables only. So account table, account entity, I can store the record. Click on new button. You see test account 590. Save this. You see, where is no need to write any code, right? You can click on a new button, you can update the record, you can save the record, you can delete the record. By default, all the functionalities are ready in the CRM application. Yes. Record is saved. You can save and close. The record automatically will be stored in the subgrids. You see, since it is a business application, it won't have any much colors. We should maintain some dignity in the application. So that's why all like plain colors on. Right, like that, all the entities we have an option to create, update, delete. Right, based on the buttons, the application will move from one entity to another entity, like one table to another entity, because there is a certain procedure involved in the sales, service, marketing, that we'll discuss in the coming classes. Okay, now as a developer, what type of work I can do in these pages? Okay, let's talk about one client is purchased the CRM application. In the account table or account entity, they want one more field here. Before phone number, they want something like branch field they want. How can I change? How can I add a branch field here? For technical consultants, we have advanced settings, right? So by using this option, you can modify entire CRM behavior. This is the development kit, I can say, for developers. So go to customization. As I said, that customization means new changes. In this customization window, by using the new keywords, you can create number of components. In a CRM, there are number of like entities, forms, views, charts, relationships. You people will confuse like if I explain all the things without writing any code, we can create. Let's talk about dashboards. To develop this dashboards, no need to write any code. To create a new entities or new tables, no need to write any code. To add a buttons, no need to write any code. To implement a new things, everything can be done from the customize the system option. For most of the like 70% of the components, we can create with the new keyword. You see here, this is a developer kit. By using this developer kit, whatever the components you want to create a new things, click on a new button and create it. 1 second. sorry, here you see there are number of components we can create, entities, option sets, processes, dashboards we can create, all we can use new button. Let's say entities means tables, right? So we can find all the table information. If we expand this, there are number of entities are exist in it. So let's talk about account entity changes, right? So go to account entity. We have from some forms for a design purpose. Directly I'm going into this. Okay, it's loading. You see, even development also I'm doing in the browser only. I'm not installing anything. See, everything we can do it in the cloud. No need to install anything. Okay. So now it's very slow. Let's take, because my requirement is I need to create a one field here. So without writing any code, I would like to create now. So here account, still it's loading. Now you see whatever the design we have here, account information, account name, phone, fax, website, all design is designed here. So in case if you want to drag and drop new fields, you can drag and drop. In case if you want to create a new fields, so no need to write any code. We have a down, like we have symbol like field called new field. So with this option, you can create a different type of controls. Like it can be phone, website related field, option set fields, whatever the fields we want to create, you can create. So let's take again new field. Sometimes it will slow because it's a cloud application, like internet. We should have good internet, then only we can work on it. Because everything we can achieve with the customization, like most of the functionality. In case if you are not able to achieve at that time, we need to write some C# code or a Java. But that is also like simple only. So let me add the new field. Now here you see display name. What is a field you want to create? Branch I want to create. So now what type of control you want to create? It's a single line of text, option set, whole number field, floating number or decimal, whatever the field. Whatever the field you want to create, the type you need to select and then save and close. See, it's creating the field. I have not written any code, but as I showed you in the HTML, you need to write 3 lines of code to create a text box. But here it's not like that, right? It's an automation, I can say. So you refresh this and you drag and drop the field into the form. So here, what is the field I created? Branch, right? You see, branch, drag and drop, and then save. Once you save, the changes will be saved in your machine. Okay. If you publish, then only the changes will be reflected in your application. Okay, let's publish these changes. See, whatever the changes we are making, that we are calling it as customization. Customization is very, very important in a dynamic CRM application. Okay, once you publish, we will get some window publishing the customization. Because it is slow, my browser is not responding. So let's wait. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you see, publishing the customization. Once the publishing is completed, the changes will be reflected in our CRM application. All right. So let's refresh. You see, branch field has come into this entity. All right. It's very simple, right? By using the new keyword, we are just creating the new things, right? So like most of the application will be developed by using the new buttons in the customization. In case if you want to create a new entity like account, click on entity and then click on a new button. New entity will be created and you can place anywhere, like after account or contact. If you want to place, you can place it. Okay, so this is how the CRM application will be developed, and the Ester is like marketing, sales, service for a common for all the companies. That's the reason companies has developed CRM application. I hope you are clear on this, right?